Want to know a little secret? Well, it's not going to be a secret if I tell you. So, you want to know the fastest way to unplug from the matrix? Food. That's it. They branded it fast food like it's a shortcut, but the only thing it makes fast is your descent into low vibration. They engineered it, seed oils that wreck your cells, sugars that hijack your brain, fake additives that numb your nervous system. It's not food, it's fucking programming. Every combo meal is coded to keep you tired, compliant, and begging for more. And here's the punchline. They sell you the poison and the cure. Dollar menu today, a pharmacy bill tomorrow. That's the loop, that's the trap. But here's what they don't want you to figure out. You can recreate every single one of those so-called classics at home, cleaner, cheaper, faster, with real ingredients that actually give your body energy instead of draining it. Same taste, none of the spell. Actually, better taste if you ask me. When you cook for yourself, you break the contract. You pull your frequency back to your vessel. Every chop, every sizzle, every bite is sovereignty in action. So eat with intention, cook your own food, stop feeding the machine, and start feeding your soul. That's how you win. I challenged myself to create content on how to recreate some of your favorites at home while raising your frequency. Golden arches are up first on my radar. I already shared how to do the cheeseburger. Today is Big Mac sauce and the Big Mac. If you've ever had one of my Big Macs, I highly suggest you definitely try making the sauce and recreate the burger at home, because you're not going to be disappointed whatsoever. I caught 155 on that timer. That is a number for me because, source is always talking in numbers and codes. Our higher self is always breadcrumbing us with synchronicities as well. Are you paying attention to your signs? Are you seeing your signs? The fastest way to see your signs is you got to unplug from one program and replug into your own program. So I'm going to teach you guys how to recreate the classics at home, how to cook for yourself. Go back on my feed. There's a lot of gems there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you never know. The powers that be may get ticked. I'm glitching. They get ticked off and decide to delete my goddamn account again, because sometimes I drop some truth bombs and they don't like it and they just wipe my account, so I gotta start over again. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Baked Tijen, Baked Tijen, or look for Baked La La Land, because I call this reality La La Land. Once you're freaking up, you can't unsee the freaking strings. And if you want to see those strings, you gotta unplug. 313 on that timer. Hi, Dad. So I'm gonna cut this off here. Come back later to see how to recreate a Big Mac at home. The Big Mac sauce too. I was gonna do mayo, homemade mayo, but I forgot the eggs. So we're gonna use store-bought mayo, but make sure you get a good quality one, no cheap bullshit around, You gotta set the intention of you're putting good quality food into your body. So with that being said, give me a like, give me a follow, share it with a friend, save it for later. But I will be back with more tips, tricks, and ways to unplug. Maybe a decode too, because I feel like Spirit is dropping messages for me to do a decode, but I haven't put together what the actual show is yet. So stay tuned.